got my heart and you had it the first day we met. One look at you and I knew this as good as it gets, yeah. I look in your eyes and I'm watching the sunset. I need this forever, baby, I need this forever. Cause I
lose myself around you, girl, you got some kind of way. There's just something about you, girl, that makes me wanna stay.
I could spend the rest of my life, ride or die with you. That's just what you do.
There ain't nothing in this world, nothing in this world like a Filipina girl. There ain't nothing in this world, nothing in this world like a Filipina girl. There ain't no, there ain't no, there ain't nothing in this world like a Filipina girl. There ain't no, there ain't no, there ain't nothing in this world like a Filipina girl.
You got me all in my feelings, I'm feeling some kind of way. And now that you got me here, there's so much I want to say. Like, I love the way that you light up the room. I need you back like the sun ain't the moon. I see the future and baby it's you. I see the future and baby it's you. And I
lose myself around you, girl, you got some kind of way. That's just something about you, girl, that makes me wanna stay
here. I could spend the rest of my life, ride or die with you. That's just what you do, girl.
There ain't nothing in this world, nothing in this world like a Filipina girl. There ain't nothing in this world, nothing in this world like a Filipina girl.
There ain't no, there ain't no, there ain't nothing in this world like a Filipina girl. There ain't no, there ain't no, there ain't nothing in this world like a Filipina girl.
You got me when I first saw ya. I was like, damn, I want you. I couldn't stand, I'm falling into your bed and we stay till the morning. Can I be honest? Pagising sa umaga di walang alam, di mo ikaw ang tanging nasa isip o binibini, ikaw yung laging panaginip. Halika na baby, nasasabik ako lately. And if you find a Filipina and she fine, you better keep her. Cause there ain't nothing like a Filipina girl.
Nothing in this world, nothing